Hey, lovely English learners. Today's topic is all about listening, why it matters, how it boosts your English, and what you can do to improve it fast. So if you've ever said, I understand English, but I can't catch what people are saying, this episode is for you.
Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, better listening means better speaking, faster learning, and more confidence. So let's dive into it.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Flutalk English Podcast. I'm so glad you're here. And with me, like always, is my awesome co-host. Hey there.
Hey, great to be back. And before we jump in, let's take a second to say thank you. Your love, your comments, it means the world to us.
Totally. We see you sharing, tagging, listening from all over the world. You're amazing, truly.
So let's keep the good vibes going. Today's focus, listening skills, and how to level them up step by step.
Listening is so underrated, right? Everyone's obsessed with speaking perfectly, but listening, it's where it all begins.
Right. Think of how babies learn. They just listen every single day, soaking in sounds, tones, rhythm. No pressure, just exposure.
Exactly. And it's okay if you don't understand every word. Like, when was the last time you heard a native speaker talk and thought, wait, what? But still got the idea?
Oh, that happens. Just last week, I was talking to a friend from Chicago, super fast talker. I caught like 70%, but I still got the point.
That's it. Listening isn't about catching every word. It's about understanding the message.
And here's a key difference. Hearing versus listening.
Yes, hearing is passive, just noise. But listening is active. You're engaged, focused, trying to catch meaning, and maybe even tone or mood.
When I was learning Spanish, I had to train my ears. It didn't happen overnight, but it got better the more I actually listened.
Yup, and let's be real, native speakers speak fast. They blend words, throw in slang, add background noise. It's not easy.
Yeah. Throw in a crowded street or a noisy cafe and you're like, wait, what did they just say?
That's why today we're sharing simple, realistic tips to sharpen your listening, whatever your level is.
Brain. Why listening matters.
Let's start with why it's important. Listening is everywhere. Conversations, meetings, movies, podcasts.
And the cool part, improving your listening also improves your speaking, grammar, vocabulary, everything.
Yep, it's the foundation of the language house. Weak listening, the whole structure gets shaky.
Tips. Practical tips.
All right, tip time. First up, listen to slow and clear English, like this podcast.
Start with subtitles if needed. Then remove them later to challenge yourself.
Also, replay the same audio more than once. You'll hear something new every time.
And focus on keywords, not every word. Look for meaning. What's the gist?
Shadowing is powerful too. Listen, pause, then repeat out loud. It builds rhythm and confidence.
I shatter scenes from TV shows sometimes. It's fun and really helps.
Another one, dictation. Play a sentence, pause, and write it down. Great for spelling and focus.
And then summarize it in your own words. Like, okay, what was that about? That helps with comprehension.
Accents, real life, and mindset. Let's talk about accents. British, American, Aussie, so many flavors.
Yep, at first it's confusing, but over time your brain adjusts.
Watch content from different regions. Don't be afraid to challenge yourself.
And remember, listening improves speaking. You start picking up pronunciation, tone, and even grammar naturally.
But be patient. Learning takes time. It's okay to feel lost sometimes.
Celebrate small wins, like understanding one full sentence. That's progress.
Vocabulary spotlight. All right, quick vocab review.
Gist, the main idea. I got the gist even if I missed a few words.
Shadowing. Repeat what you hear right after hearing it. Great for fluency.
Dictation, writing down what you hear. builds attention and accuracy.
Context, the background or situation, helps you guess meaning.
Go over your head. Too hard to understand. Happens to everyone.
Celebrate small wins. Enjoy little moments of success. They matter. Whew, that's it for today's episode.
Thanks for hanging out with us. We hope you feel inspired to listen more and stress less.
And don't forget, there's a free PDF with these tips in the description.
We'll be back soon with more English goodness. Until then, keep listening,